Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to install the CMS plugin on Bitnami Stack Redmine installed on Windows operating system. Okay, the very first thing that you have to do is to just go to our site and download the latest CMS plugin. So it is in the plugins section and then CMS, and then you have to click on download now. Please don't forget to check the I agree, otherwise you will not be sent the plugin. However, if you have some problems with the receiving of the plugin, please don't hesitate to contact our support at the bottom right corner here, and our support engineers are going to send you the file. Alright, so let's go and proceed further. First thing is that you have to open Redmine, so please open your Bitnami folder and then your Redmine folder. In my case it is Redmine 5. Okay, so here you have to double click on the manager windows. Okay, and here on manage servers click on start all. So this is going to start your database as well as the web server. Okay, now everything is running, so let's go and check. In my case, it is installed on my local host for testing purposes. Okay, please make a note that Redmine needs some time to start, so please be patient and refresh the page a couple of times until Redmine is started. Alright, so we are now in, as they say in the Matrix, we're in. Okay, so we scroll down to the information and we see our current plugins list. At the end of this video, we will have the CMS plugin installed here. Okay, so let's proceed further. Please go back to the download folder where your plugin has been downloaded and just extract it there. Alright, so this is our plugin. So please copy the folder, Ctrl plus copy, and then go back to the Redmine. Now you have to enter apps folder and then Redmine and then htdocs folder and then plugins folder. Here please just paste it, Ctrl and V. Okay, we just wait. Okay, our plugin is now pasted. So please go back to the core Redmine folder and double click on the use Redmine. Alright, here please change the directory to apps, Redmine and htdocs. Here the first command that you have to execute is bundle install. This is going to install all the required gems for your CMS plugin. Alright, we just wait. Okay, the gems are being now installed. Okay, we have to be patient here, and we are done. 88 gems now installed. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to do the migration. It is done with the following command: bundle exec rake redmine plugins rails and production. So now we wait for the migration to start. Okay, we have to be patient here as well. The migration has just started. It is in progress now. Okay, so we are almost done. Our migration has just finished. And the last thing that we have to do now is to just go back to this window and restart all processes. So the database as well as the web server are going to be restarted. This step is needed, so all our changes are now going to be applied. And the CMS plugin is going to appear into our Redmine. Okay, now everything is running, so let's go and check. Okay, as we have said in the beginning, Redmine needs some time to start. So we have to keep refreshing now and be patient again. Okay, so let's scroll down and we see that CMS plugin has just appeared here. So we have successfully installed it on Windows operating system Bitnami Stack Redmine. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like, you could also check the other videos from the articles. So thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.